Hey YouTube, welcome back to DriverWorks. In the last couple of videos, you saw us work on the front suspension and the steering. And in between last video and this video, me and my dad worked a little bit off camera. So in this video, we're going to show you what we did, and mount the front shocks, and set the ride height. So let's get started. So we got the steering mounted up, and it does steer. However, we do have some issues. Let me show you. This drag link is not fully horizontal. Therefore, it does not steer equally in both directions. Another problem is with the tie rods. We need to make them longer, mount them in board, and fix the angle. All of these are easy fixes. And considering that me and my dad just paper engineered this, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So let's do shocks. Here's the shock from the Yerf dog, and here's the shock from the Mudhead. The shock from the Mudhead is a little bit softer, and it's also a little bit longer. And the soft cushy ride is what I want. So we're going to use the Mudhead. Here's where the shock used to be. This will probably work, but stock's no fun. So I want to put this where I think it'll look cool. And I think it'll look cool on the front. That looks awesome. We're going to put this here by drilling a hole up here and welding a stud down here. I think you guys have seen me do enough welding and drilling. So I'll check back in with you guys once I'm done. Alright guys, checking back in with you. And remember, I said that I wanted a nice soft cushy off-road ride. And I got what I wanted to check this out. Ta-da! Unfortunately, it's a big flop. Obviously, we've got something wrong. Give me a minute to move some brackets around, and I'll be right back. Round 2. Let's see how it looks. This is about just what I was looking for. A little up treble, a little down treble. Let's see how it holds my weight. Well, I think my dad and I accomplished what we set out to do. It's got up treble, it's got down treble, and it's nice and cushy. There may be some adjustments that happen to it down the road, but we'll deal with that when it comes. Now, I'm going to save you some comments, because I know they're coming. These tires, I know they're tiny. That's why I got these. These shocks, upside down. But I don't think it matters. Plus, I kind of like the way they look. Tie rod angles, I know they're atrocious. But I think we already talked about that. I can't believe how cool the front end of this thing looks. Now we gotta make the back end look as cool as the front end. So there will be plenty more content for you guys to see. So you might as well subscribe. Speaking of subscribers, I can't tell you how happy we were to wake up New Year's Day and see that we had 200 subscribers. We appreciate you guys, and we'll do our best to put out good content for you. So see you in the next video.